How to fix the T-Mobile SIM not provisioned MM-2 error code usually starts with understanding what that message actually means. Because it sounds technical, but it's often related to account activation or SIM registration not being fully completed. At core, this error show up when your SIM card is not properly recognized or activated on T-Mobile networks yet. That can happen with a new SIM, a recently transferred number, or even after switching phones when the network has not fully updated your device information. So the simplest things to try is restarting your phone after reinserting the SIM card. A fresh reboot forces the device to reconnect with the network and can sometimes complete the provisioning process if it was only partially registered. If that does not help, checking whether the SIM is properly seated in the tray is important. A slightly loose or misaligned SIM can trigger this error even if everything else is working fine. Another common cause is amount activation delays. When a number is being ported from another carrier or a new line has just been added, it may take some time for T-Mobile system to fully activate the SIM. During that window, the phone may show this error even though nothing is technically broken. It's also possible that SIM card itself is not correctly assigned to your account. In that case, the network sees the SIM is inactive or unregistered, which prevents service from being provisioned properly. This usually requires carrier-side correction. Trying the SIM as another compatible device can help narrow down the issue. If the SIM works in a different phone, the problem is likely device related. If it does not work anywhere, the issue is more likely with activation or the SIM itself. Sometimes a simple network reset on your phone can also help clear outdated configuration data that may be blocking proper provisioning. After the reset, the phone re-downloads fresh network setting from the carrier. If nothing changes, the most likely scenario is that the SIM needs to be activated or replaced by T-Mobile. This is especially true if the error appears immediately after setup or a SIM swap. In most cases, this error is not permanent or damaging. It usually comes down to timing, activation status, or a mismatch between the SIM and your account, and it gets solved once the network finishes provisioning correctly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.